Good morning, students. Hope you remember the important step that we have to take when we start the business, when we are planning a business. Now, we are taking up certain steps in a detail, like identification of business opportunity. An entrepreneur takes the initiative to start a business activity by exploring, by analyzing, by identification of business opportunity. He also bears the related risk. And the real entrepreneur is not a risk centered, rather, he is an opportunity center. Being an entrepreneur, it is not necessary you have to take every time a risk. You are taking a risk, but when there is an opportunity to gain something, then only you go for that particular idea. Business possibility may take the shape of business opportunity only when the possibility is being capable of as commercially feasible. जब आपको लगेगा कि भाई इस बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके पास पॉसिबिलिटीज बहुत है, बहुत सारे आइडियाज आपके दिमाग में आ रहे हैं, ठीक है, मगर वो आपके लिए जो है एक अपॉर्चुनिटी तब बनेगा जब उसको कॉमर्शलाइज करना आपके लिए पॉसिबल हो. Okay, you have various ideas. Turning idea into business opportunity is the art that the entrepreneur has to see. The basic objective, why it is so important. Objective of identification of business opportunities: identify the opportunity by entrepreneur in the context of probable industries and to decide his own role and scope of work relationship in accordance with the opportunity. To keep watch over a possible market of the commodity service to be produced and all, to make assessment of financial resources, whatever you financial resources, other resources you need to start that particular business, to find the possibility short term whether long term, and to know the technical awareness, technical knowledge that you need for particular that particular idea, and to see the possibility of diverting the available resources toward the achieving the business objective. Agar in case you are already have certain business, or you want to expand it and all, so you have to see whatever resources you have, how you can use that particular resources also in this, and to identify those industries which are not based on a local source but which may be economically considered in view of the future requirements. तो आपको दूर की सोच के जो है या फ्यूचर रिक्वायरमेंट को सोच के डिसाइड करना होता है कि किस बिजनेस प्रपोजल में या किस बिजनेस आइडिया में जो है आपको जो है कॉमर्शलाइजेशन करना आसान हो सकता है, विच हेल्प यू टू गेन सम रिटर्न. क्लियर? There are various factors that are affecting your identification of business opportunity, like volume of internal demand, availability of industrial raw material, availability of internal resources, form of external assistance that you are getting, and possibility of export if there is not. Then analyzing the performance of existing unit, gathering information regarding proposed industrial development, and level of risk in the business. All these are the factors that affect your identification of business ideas, opportunities, because based on that you will going to select which opportunity is better for you, because these are basically give you the limitations that you have. Business opportunities are grouped into these industry, may whether it may be in manufacturing sector, it may be in wholesale sector, it may be in retailing sector, it may be in your service sector. A new venture are basically funded by individual intended to change the environment of a given industry by introducing of either a new product or a new production process. तो न्यू वेंचर मीन्स अगर आप चाहे तो न्यू प्रोडक्ट लेके आइए, या फिर आप न्यू प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस लेके आ रहे हैं, दैट इज कंसिडर द न्यू वेंचर. The role of new venture is the innovation, to bring innovation, social improvement, or economic growth, or developing the entrepreneur. Then there are various approaches to start a new venture, like you are starting a new business, or you purchase some established business, or you purchase the franchisee, in which you get every support and by paying the license fee. They will help you to set up your own business. Okay, then these are the generation of ideas. Check the source of ideas, how you are generating the ideas, what are the various sources for idea generation. Okay, check the sources of idea, there are various sources, and there is a creativity which help you to identify any business opportunity. Okay, in generation of idea, first step is to check the source of idea. Better understanding of economy or economics you can have. अगर आपको इकोनॉमिक्स की नॉलेज है तो फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट एनी आइडिया. चेंजिंग नीड ऑफ द सोसाइटी, लाइक आप देख रहे हैं जिस तरह से आपको ऑनलाइन टीचिंग है, इट्स अ नीड ऑफ द सोसाइटी नाउ बिकॉज यू आर नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर फिजिकल मीटिंग, so you virtually doing all these things. An emerging trend in the society, extensively traveling and a wide reading can also help to click the idea. Analyzing the performance of existing industries, because after analyzing you get the opportunity, you get the you come to know about the weakness, so you can convert it into opportunity and all. Then examine the input and output of the various industries, review import or export. From there you get the knowledge कि which product is more demanded. Like आपने अपने यहाँ देखा होगा बडवा, it is demanded outside the India, so you make them as a export opportunity. Explore the possibility of reviving and identifying the unfulfilled psychological need of the people, that also click the idea. Visit trade fairs, exhibition where you get the knowledge of various types of products and services. From that you can also have an idea that can be started here also. Suggestion of financial institution, development agencies, investigation of local material and resources. So these are the various categories from where you get the idea. Sometimes you get the idea when you are talking to your friend also, when you are facing some problems. Okay, then the creativity is there also, like brainstorming. आप सोच रहे हैं, आप नीड को रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे हैं, ट्रेंड को रिकॉग्नाइज कर रहे हैं, एंड फ्रॉम देयर यू गेट आइडिया कि इन विच बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी, which business potential have a good opportunity for you. Clear? Now turning idea into business opportunity. When you are turning ideas, because आपके दिमाग में ideas तो thousands आते हैं, but thousands idea is not a good business opportunity. उनको हमें business opportunity में convert करना होता है. And for that you have two questions, deciding that idea can be converted into business opportunity or not. First, does it have a potential to be a profitable? ठीक है, प्रॉफिटेबल है या नहीं. Potential in terms of marketing, you can say, in terms of production, in terms of financial, it has a potential or not. Then, does it satisfy your individual and your personal constraints? जो आपके इंडिविजुअल और पर्सनल कॉन्ट्रेंट्स हैं, दैट क्या वो सेटिस्फाई हो पा रहे हैं उससे? दैट इज इट डज इट fit well with the framework of the firm resource constraints. Means whatever resource constraints you have, उसमें वो fit होने चाहिए. Means you have a 5 lakh rupees to start any business, but the proposal is that which is very good, but it require 8 lakh. Is it fit for you? No. Then you don't go for that, na? So you have to see all these things, and these two questions you have to answer. And then you have to do a SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis means the analysis which help you to identify your weakness, your strength, your opportunity and your threat. Then only you will able to identify which business opportunity is beneficial for you. Like suppose we take the examples. Okay, Mr. X manufacturing and marketing a toy gun in annual festival or a fest. Okay, for any annual festival or fest, you are making a toy gun. So you have to identify your strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. Then only you will decide whether this is my business opportunity or not. Your strength is good understanding of market situation. You have a good understanding. You really willing to take a moderate risk. You are ready to put a hard efforts also. So these are your strength. Then weakness, poor communication skill. You don't have a good communication skill. You lose your temper very quickly. No latest technology you know to for making a toy gun etc. And no guarantee of teamwork with you. Okay, these are the weaknesses that you know. Then you will see the threat. What are the threat? थ्रेट क्या हो सकते हैं इस कंडीशन में, इस एग्जाम्पल में टॉय गन में? मार्केट सर्वे रिवील्स presence of competitor is a big threat, possibly sudden rain or trouble in the festival time, or you can say the covid increase, so that will also affect now, that is a threat now. Or getting government license in time is a problem. These are the threat you find. Now you see the opportunity. Pretty large children as a customer than other competitor. ठीक है, आपके पास बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कस्टमर्स हैं, बहुत लार्ज कस्टमर है, चिल्ड्रन कस्टमर, जो अदर कॉम्पिटिटर्स के पास नहीं है. टॉय गन आर अ नोवेलिटी एट अ फर्स्ट टाइम. आपने देखा कि टॉय गन जो है अपने आप में एक नया गेम है जो आप लेके आ रहे हैं. आपके पास रेडी और डिपेंडेबल सप्लायर हैं इनपुट के जो आपको टाइमली प्रोवाइड करेंगे. एंड टॉय गन इज़ अ क्वाइट न्यू एंड पीपल वांट it to know and are very curious about it. These are the opportunities. Now you will think ki whether I go for toy gun or not, whether I am capable to make it commercialize or not. Then this toy gun idea become your business opportunity. Clear, students? Hope you understand it now. Clear? In next class, we are going to cover a market assessment for a small enterprise. Okay, thank you for the day, students.